Hello and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing one of the most traditional and loved Indian sweets, Besan Ladoo. These melt-in-mouth laddus are made with roasted gram flour, ghee and sugar, pure festive perfection. First take 2 cups of gram flour or besan. Sieve it well. In a pan, add half cup ghee. Use fresh ghee for a rich aroma and authentic flavor. And add the sieved besan. Keep stirring continuously on low heat. Always roast besan on low heat to avoid a raw taste. Keep stirring constantly for even roasting. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped almond. Roast everything together. Keep stirring. Roast for 7 to 8 minutes until golden and aromatic. Besan is a great source of plant-based protein. Ghee provides healthy fats and energy. Almonds add crunch and nutrition. Once done, remove from heat and let it cool down slightly for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add 3/4 cup powdered sugar and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well until everything combines perfectly. Let the mixture cool slightly before adding sugar. Take small portion and shape them into smooth round laddus. Besan Ladoo is one of India's oldest festive sweets. It's traditionally made during Diwali and other celebrations. The aroma of roasted besan and ghee is pure nostalgia. And your soft aromatic besan laddus are ready to enjoy. These laddus are filling, wholesome, and perfect for festive snacking. In many homes, these sweets marks the start of every happy occasion. So that's our simple and delicious Besan Ladoo recipe. Golden, soft and full of love. Make it at home and fill your kitchen with the aroma of tradition. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite festive sweet.